Hello everyone, myself Komal, and today we are going to do a meditation. It's like fall in love with yourself. So, shall we start? Just find out a comfortable place here where you can lie down or can sit comfortably. Take your time. Now, close your eyes and take a slow deep breath in and gently exhale. One more time. Take a slow deep breath in and gently exhale. One more time. Take a slow deep breath in and gently exhale. Feel yourself surrounded by divine light, golden, soft, and pure. This light enters through the top of your head, flows gently down through your entire body and moves deep into Mother Earth, grounding and holding you safely. You are loved, you are supported, you are home. Now, let us journey together, part by part, piece by piece, to fall in love with every corner of self. Allow yourself to fall in love with every corner of you. Bring your awareness to your eyes. Whisper gently, I love you. I love you, my beautiful eyes. You show me colors, smiles, beauty, tears, truth. You let me see the stars, the faces of loved ones, the flowers of the earth, even when you are tired or blurred. You are still my windows to the world. Thank you, my precious eyes. Now, awareness to your ears. Speak gently. I love you. I love you, my gentle ears. You let me hear music, laughter, the sound of the rain, the voices I love, even when there is noises or silence. You're always receiving life for me. Thank you, my ears. Now bring your awareness to your nose and say gently, I love you. I love you, my dear nose. You let me breathe life into my body. You let me smell the fragrance of flowers, the aroma of wood, the scent of earth after the rain. Thank you. Thank you for this gift. Now bring your awareness to your mouth and lips and whisper gently, I love you. I love you, my lips, my mouth. Through you I smile, I kiss, I taste, I laugh. You carry sweetness into my life. Thank you. Thank you, my lips. Thank you, my mouth. Now, bring awareness to your tongue and voice. Say gently, I love you. I love you, my voice. You let me express myself. Sing, whisper, comfort, and to speak truth. Sometimes shaky, sometimes strong. You are always my truth. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your teeth and say, I love you. I love you, my dear teeth. You help me enjoy food, nourish me, and carry my smile. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your hair and say gently, I love you. I love you, my hair. You are my crown, my beauty, whether long or short, thick or thin, white or dark. You are mine, and I love you. Now bring your awareness to your skin and whisper, I love you. I love you, my skin. You wrap me in safety. You let me feel touch, warmth, coolness, and love. Even with scars, marks, or lines. You are my story written on me. Thank you. Now, bring your awareness to your neck and throat and whisper gently, I love you. I love you, my neck and throat. You carry my voice. You connect my head and heart. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your shoulders and whisper gently, I love you. I love you, my shoulders. You have carried so many burdens for me. I release that weight now. I release all that burden now and just hold you in love. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your arms and say gently, I love you. I love you, my arms. You reach out to life, to hold, to create, to hug. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your hands and fingers and whisper, I love you. I love you, my dear hands. and fingers. Your right touch. Chaos, cook, pant, and work. Pant and work. You carry love into action. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your chest and say gently, I love you. I love you, my chest. You rise and fall with each breath. You house my lungs and my heart. You expand with life. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your heart and say, I love you. I love you, my dearest heart. You beat for me tirelessly, day and night. You carry my joy and my pain, my hopes and my love. Even when broken, you heal and you keep loving. Thank you. Thank you, my faithful heart. Now bring your awareness to your lungs and say gently, I love you. I love you, my lungs. You breathe life into me with every inhale and exhale. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your stomach and say, I love you. I love you, my stomach. You nourish me. You hold emotions. You transform food into life. Even when uncomfortable, you are still serving me. You are still serving me. Thank you. Even when uncomfortable, you are still serving me. Thank you. Now bring your awareness. Bring your awareness to your kidneys, pancreas, and all inner organs and say deeply, I love you. I love you, my inner organs. Quietly, without me noticing, you work faithfully every moment to keep me alive. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your back. Now bring your awareness to your back and spine and say gently, I love you. I love you, my back, my spine. You hold me upright. You support me. Even when you ache, you are strong and faithful. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your hips and pelvis. Say humbly, I love you. Say humbly, I love you. I love you, my hips and pelvis. You ground me, you hold my creativity, my power, my sexuality, my strength. Thank you. Thank you. Now bring your awareness towards your thighs and say gently, I love you. I love you, my thighs. You are strong and steady. carrying me through life. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your knees and say deeply, I love you. I love you, my knees. You bend, you support, you allow me to move with grace. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your ankles, your calves, and say gently, I love you. I love you, my calves and ankles. You carry my weight. You carry my weight. You move me forward. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your feet and toes. Say lovingly, I love you. I love you, my feet and toes. You root me to the earth. You walk me through life, step by step. Thank you. Say one more time, I love you. I love you, my feet and toes. You root me to the earth. You walk me through life, step by step. Thank you. Now, bring all your awareness to your blood and say gently, I love you. I love you, my blood. You carry life through me. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your breath and say deeply, I love you. I love you, my breath. You connect me to this moment, to life itself. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your thoughts and say gently, I love you. I love you, my mind. Sometimes quiet, sometimes busy. You're always trying to protect me, guide me, create for me. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your emotions and say them gently. I love you. I love you, my emotions, my joy, my sadness, my fear, my hope, my all emotions. Thank you. I really love you all. You all are part of my humanity. Thank you. Now bring all your awareness to your skills and gifts. Say then, I love you. I love you, my talents, my creativity, my intelligence, my wisdom. You are my blessings. Thank you. Now bring your awareness to your flaws. Yeah. Bring all your awareness to your flaws. Say them lovingly and deeply. I love you. I love you, all my flaws. What I once judged, I now see as a unique. My scars, my mistakes, my imperfections. You are not my shame. You are my beauty. You are my teacher. I blessed with wisdom through your experiences. Thank you. Thank you. Now, bring your awareness to your soul. Say lovingly, I love you. I love you, my soul, eternal, radiant voice. You are my essence, my truth, my light. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now breathe deeply. Now breathe deeply. Feel every part of you glowing with love, every cell of you smiling, and every flaw shining as beauty. And offer the gratitude to the divine light for blessing you, to Mother Earth for holding and grounding you, to all guides, divine beings, higher selves, and souls connected to you in love, in this session, in this healing, and to yourself, to your body, mind, heart, soul. Thank you. Say deeply, thank you and I love you. Stay here for some time. Now take one more deep and slow breath in and exhale soft. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. You are whole, you are beautiful, you are complete, you are loved. Thank you. Hari Om Tat Sat.